What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. I haven't said that for ages. I do apologize. I've been away for a bit. What I mean by away is I really fell out of love with sneakers, kind of, and I didn't really purchase anything I thought was worth reviewing. So I had a bit of time off. But yeah, I'm back with these boring red boxes that Nike need to change. I've got the bloopers already. Forget it, we're going to keep rolling. I've got the Zoom Vomero 5. The colorway on this is Vast Grey, Black Sail, so just Vast Grey, grey pair. UK 10 as always. You can read the rest or pause it if you want to read the rest. Let's get straight into this pair. So we've got the Vomeros in Vast Grey. You can kind of see that they kind of look like kind of white-ish, or they give a white type of tone. Maybe if someone's a bit far, you might see them as white. There is a white version available. I got the grey ones just because they're a bit easier, I think, or a bit easier to keep clean. So that's why I went for the grey pair, to be honest. I do want to get the white pair, but I just hate when white mesh goes all dirty. And these days I can't really be bothered to clean them, so I just stay away, kind of. We'll go to the sole. We've got that standard Vomero 5 sole, grey, black, and then we've got that bit of plastic there, and then the rest is grey and black. The midsole is grey, and then it's got kind of like a beige type colour as well. So, you know, a bit of beige-ish, like a kind of slightly aged midsole, but not like other pairs, which I really do like. On the back, we got that plastic on the heel. The whole heel has that plastic kind of cup, if you want to call it that. Then the upper, we've got this. It's like a coated leather type material, I believe. We've got plastic that moves. It's quite soft behind the swoosh. Then the swoosh is actually quite big. I never actually noticed how big the swoosh is, but I really do like that. Again, that's like a kind of coated leathery type material. I honestly need to learn the materials again because I'm forgetting. We've got that same material. We've got mesh, that good old mesh. Got mesh again on this side. It is gone a bit in this leathery thing. I've noticed that on a few pairs. Don't think it's something that we can help. Then on the inside is basically the same as the outside, but just literally on the inside. The tongue is grey. It's kind of like a darker grey, slightly darker than everything else. The laces are also grey, a light grey but darker than all the other shades of grey, if that makes sense. And then on the tongue we've got that Nike Vomero 5. On the inside we've got a picture of a geezer, and it says Braverman series. I'm not gonna lie and act like I know all the insides and outs. Maybe I should. Maybe it's like blasphemous of me not to, but I really don't. And then we've got obviously the size tag or the size code, BV1358-001, and it's got the dates and all the sizes, etc. Overall, I love the comfort on these. That's why I'm on a Vomero hype right now. I'm going for comfort more than anything else these days. Obviously, I do need to start wearing stylish stuff again, but you know, comfort these days is just way better. Lovely comfort on these. Definitely do find them a bit more comfortable than the New Balances, the 1906R and the 2002R, just because this is a bit wider, so it lets your foot kind of be flat. If people are wide-footed, you know, try these out, try them on. I'm really bad at sizing advice, if I'm honest with you, so I tend not to, but I did kind of go, I'd say, I want to say true to Air Max size, or my Air Max size is like 10.5, this is a 10, Air Force is 9.5, Jordans 9.5, Air Force is 9, I wear every different size, so it just matters what fits on you. Most people would say true to size, I'd say, or just go true to your Air Max size, whatever you wish is best. But yeah, 10 out of 10 for me. Well, maybe not 10 out of 10. Let's say 9 out of 10. But I really like this shoe. got loads of colors, colorways, more reviews of this shoe coming. If you're watching this in the future, then check out the videos on the channel of all the Vomeros. I'm going to make a little playlist with Vomeros, and yeah, nothing more to say. Wait a few moments for the on foot video. I've been rambling on way too long. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, check out all the content, all the videos, and take care, my people.